All right, a couple more tangent line properties. And these are actually theorems. So there's another theorem that says if two segments from the same external point are tangent to a circle, that's what goes in this first blank, then they are blank. So I want you to kind of, while I'm writing the word tangent here, think about what might be true about those two segments, AB and BC. So it feels like they might be the same length, and it turns out indeed that they are congruent. And I wish we had time to prove this theorem. It's actually a pretty simple proof. It has something to do with similar triangles, which we learned how to do back in Unit 2. See, if I draw a line from B to D like so, then you can see it splits it up into two triangles. And we use an argument that has something to do with those two triangles being congruent. And then we use CPCTC, corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent, to show that these two legs are the same length. All of that to say that if we've got two tangents that are drawn to the same external point, then those two tangents are congruent to each other. So that means segment AB, they have the little segment notation already drawn, is congruent to segment BC. We'll use that here shortly. Another one says that if a polygon is circumscribed around a circle, then all the sides are tangent. So if you draw a polygon in such a way that the sides of the polygon are all tangent to the circle or touching the circle in one point, then all of those lines are or segments are tangent to the circle. And you kind of have to look at this like so. Let me see if I can draw, kind of close some of this off for you. So it almost looks like a party hat situation here. So segment BD and segment BE are congruent because of the last theorem. They're both tangents drawn to the same external point in the same circle. Likewise, segments AD and AF are congruent because they kind of make that party hat looking situation here on this side of the circle, and CF and CE are also congruent. We'll use that going forward as well.